Hey, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy F34, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it, I suggest you use an old toothbrush which I no longer use. And firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have the cover, and then just insert one part of the brush to the connector and try to pry the dirt out. And cool, that's it. I think that toothbrush is the best tool to clean your USB charging port, because using the toothbrush you can damage your USB charging port. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.